Welcome back. In this video we are going to answer this question, which is the 2021 grade 9 paper 1 mathematics external exam, which means these wrote in the middle of the year 2021, somewhere July, and it carries 2 marks. As you can see, it was prepared by the Examination Council of Zambia. Okay, we need to convert 101.011 base 2 to base 10. So this is the question, the first question in these videos that I've been covering, that is asking us to convert a number in base 10. So this will be a very interesting lesson. Hopefully you enjoy it. So having said all that, let us begin with the answering of the question. So you should notice something before you even attempt this question. You should know the place values. It's very important. You should know the place values. We know that in base 10 we have the ones, the tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on and so forth. But in base 2 we have a different binary system in which the place values are written. So the place values, should I say, let me just say this. I need you to note this. Place values are units. Oh my god, now I'm teaching. And you wanted me to solve this problem, but I just want to make things clear. So we have the units, the twos, the fours, and so on and so forth. So this is what I mean. In the binary system, let me just say this, okay? We have 2, not so. 2 is our base. So we start by 2 to the power 0. By the way, this is not a lesson about indices. I'm just trying to help you understand where these numbers come from. Then we have 2 to the power 1. Then we have 2 to the power 2. Then we have 2 to the power 3. Let me just end here. And if we have a point, we can have what goes after 0, it's negative 1, not so. So as we are going this side, so it's going to be 2, negative 1. Then we're going to have 2, negative 2. Then we're going to have 2, negative 3, and so on and so forth. So if you evaluate these, you will find that this 2 to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is 1, so it's going to just give us 1. Therefore, this is where it comes from, the ones, what is place value. Then if we evaluate 2 to the power 1, it's just 2. Okay, that's where the 2's is coming from. Then 2 to the power 2 is a 4, as you can see. Then after that, it is 2 to the power 3, it's 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 it's 8, so it's 8. So this is where the place values are coming from. Then after the decimal point, 2 to the power negative 1 is the same as saying 1 over 2. Okay, it's the same as saying 1 over 2. So it's 1 over 2. Then this is 1 over 4. Then this is 1 over what's this? 1 over 8, because 2 to the power 3 is 8. 1 over 8, like so. So this is how our place values work. So let us solve this question. Let me just say solutions. Okay, that's a weird S, but don't worry. So the place values for digits, what is the question saying? It's saying 1001, not so. As you can see, 101.011. So let us write this number. The place values for this number, 101.011. So let us write the number like so. Let me just write here 101.011. So if we were to draw lines here, I want you to pay attention like so. Forgive me if I write lines that are looking out of this world. I'm doing the best that I can. Okay, so imagine if we add lines like so, vertical lines, just to guide us. Okay, and I'm just going to write one other horizontal line like so. So now I want to write the place values on top here. So this will be somewhere like what can I say 1 over 2 here. So and then this will be 1 over 4, and this will be 1 over 8. Then this will be a 1 like you saw there. This is the 1s, then this is the 2s, but there, this is a small s. Then these are the what? The 4s. Okay, so now if you want to solve this problem, we have to multiply this digit by that what's this given place value. So we're going to start like so. We're going to say what is 1 times this is the 4's decimal place, not so. So 1 times 4. Then we're going to add. Okay, so now since this is 0 and we already know that 0 times any number is a 0, there's no need of using up these numbers. Let us go to the 1. In short, what I'm trying to say here is that we're only going to multiply these digits that have 1 here, this one, this one, this one, and this one, because this will result in a 0 and this will result in a 0, which doesn't make sense, because if we add 0 to a number, it's that same number, not so. So we have multiplied 1 by 4. So now let us multiply 1 by 1. 1 times 1. Then we are going to add and we are going to multiply 1 times 1 over 4. Okay, so we're going to say 1 times 1 over 4. So we're going to add again 1 times 1 over 8, like so. Then we compute. Okay, so when we compute this, we're going to find out that 1 times 4 is a 4, plus 1 times 1 is a 1, plus what is 1 times 1 over 4? If you compute that, you'll find that it's 0.25. Plus, if you compute this as well, what is 1 times 1 over 8? You're going to find out that this is going to give you 0.125. So this is a paper 1 question, by the way, and in paper 1 we don't use a calculator, so you need to know how to multiply fractions. Okay, I'm just doing this because this is a video and I don't want it to be a long video where I teach you indices and how to multiply fractions with all numbers and all that stuff. So yeah, so after doing that, you are going to notice that this is going to give us a 5. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 0.25 plus 0.125 is going to give us 0.375. And if you add these, it will give you the final answer, 5.375 base 10. So my friends, that's the answer. We have converted that number, which is 101.011, into a number in base 10. And if you answer like this in the exam, that means that you scored a 2 mark. Okay, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, I highly recommend that you do that, and click on the notification icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.